Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cuddling wife transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit. In here, I add to a video. This is the clip 1 and then this is the clip 2. But in here I wanna add curling transition effects. It's so pretty simple, so you just click on the box white icon, this one, click on it, and then in here you just click on the MG, and in here you can see curling wife effect, this one, so you just click on it. And in here you can set the duration, just swipe left or right like this. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon, this one, and finish. So that's how to add cuddling wife transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.